To silence a portion of your audio clip in Reaper, what you can do is select a part of your audio clip. So for example, maybe I want to make this portion in between me speaking silent, and then you can either click the right mouse button and then choose split items at time selection, or you can much easier use Shift and S combination. And now you have this portion of your audio clip separate, so you can adjust its volume independently. So now for me, I have to drag from the middle of the audio track, but that's because I made some adjustments. I prefer it this way. For you, it's probably gonna be at the very top if you haven't changed it. And so now I can reduce the volume here, and I only affect this portion of the clip. Otherwise, if I do it just like that, it will affect the whole clip. Now, if I want to, I can even get it back together. So I just selected this first portion of my clip while I was also holding the Shift button, and then I selected the last portion of my clip in this particular track. And so when I do that while holding Shift, it selects everything that is in between the first part and the last part, so the last clip. Now I can click the right mouse button and then choose glue items, and it puts everything back together.